Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through making a video on this subject, and the video is called Laser Tips and Tricks, Granite or Marble Tile Engraving Raster Vector Sandblast. And if you want to watch it, I did 3 different ways. Somebody suggested that to somebody else that you could vector cut tile, or not cut tile, but vector engrave tile. I'd never tried it before, and it worked. And it gives it a totally different look. This one's been rastered, this one's been vectored, and if you watch the 3rd video, this has been sandblasted with some tape. So the person had a question how to do that. So you got your letter, and this is going to take about the same length of time to vector it is to raster. So it's not going to save you any time or take any longer. But I'm going to left click and right click, and then you want to make sure it's in a hairline, and I'm using somebody else's tool again, and it's CYMK. I need to get my own page back, and but you want to use red and RGB. Laser engravers want to use RGB all the time, and that for the video that wouldn't really matter. Then you go up to effects and contour. And we're going to contour to the center, 0.005. And we're going to do it in red. It doesn't really matter as long as it's a hairline. And then hit apply. 0.005 is plenty. And what that did, that put vector lines over and over and over. Now, that looks like a lot of cutting, but I ran this one at 100 power and 50 speed. And it took the same amount of time to vector it as it did to raster it. And you could even try, don't take my suggestion for the 0.005. You could probably even go less and go 0.009, let's say, and you wouldn't have near the amount of vector lines. And you could even go further than that. Let's go 0.09 and see how close they are. But you could run this one possibly out of focus. So you just need to take a scrap piece of tile and try it. Being out of focus, your beam's going to be wider, and it's not going to take near as many cuts. So I would maybe, let's back up here, and on this one I would probably, to test it, I would probably go at 0.05. And that way you're gonna get a more solid feel. And if you ran this well, you could probably run this in focus. I might run out to the shop and do another one. But give that a shot if you want to try something different. This particular person wants to paint fill. This is a little bit deeper. I mean, it went a little bit by just feel. You can feel this, and I think the paint may be going to adhere to this better. I don't know. You're just going to have to experiment on your own. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.